So excited. Coming up is my hack to carve, colour and fix these DIY horns. So keep watching. Welcome back to another HJ tutorial, the channel for everything hair and makeup artistry, be it creative, prom, weddings, anything, you name it. But today we are on Halloween and I'm going to be showing you how to create these horns. This was a style I did a while back and we're going to be recreating the horns, but you can create in any style and you can do any finish, add in and make them red or black or add in whatever colour you like, and all you need is one of these. So we're going to be carving this out and making it into a horn. Okay, so we have our cosmetic sponge. I've got these small scissors. I did have some better ones off eBay last time and they were of a curved edge, so I'm going to take the bulk out with some bigger kitchen scissors. So we're going to take all the corners off. And then start carving into a point. See, start to get the bulk of it. And then I want to use the curve on the bottom here, so as if that's coming up off your head. I'm just going to shave off in really slim sections because that'll help create some texture on your horn as well. Switch to the smaller scissors. And then just to show you, to bring these to life a little bit more, we're going to use just going to stipple some foundation on. So this is a similar way of what I did to create the demon makeup. And it won't stay too greasy because your sponge will absorb it all, and it should go a little bit patchy so it's not too perfect. There you go. And then we will go in with, you've got a cool brown, nothing too warm. Obviously it depends on what look you're creating at home, but you could take them all black or all red and use a bit of black around the base. The base of these, where they hit your skin, are going to have some dark around the bottom, so I always put a little bit of dark up the horns at the base to like help blend them in. And if you just pat it over where the horn is more raised, it'll pick up a little bit more of that and bring out the texture of it. A little bit of black. You're almost just creating a bit of a messy ombre. There you have it, your horn. Super simple. How easy is that tutorial? So you'll just carve it out and create your little horn like so. And I'm now going to show you how to stick it on. And it is simply eyelash glue. So this is one of just the Eldoras, which the glue for these is amazing. And I'm going to pop this on. So don't forget, you've got latex and all this. So if you do have allergies, you want to be opting for latex free. And you're just dotting some of the glue on. The sponge will absorb it, so it does dry quite fast. Dot little bits out. Give it a minute to go tacky. And then I normally aim, obviously it depends on what kind of look you're going for. I kind of go around the edges of where your head is. But, I mean, you could be doing one in the middle, you could be doing 3 up the middle, you don't know, anything. So, we will then pop this on and hold it on. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, and don't forget to click the bell. If you click the bell, you'll be notified, and we will be posting up the full tutorial on the demon makeup and the image that we showed you, and how to put these horns to good use. So don't forget to subscribe. Drop us a comment in below if you think this has been helpful. And also, if you are going to use this tutorial and create your own horns, then give us a hashtag and tag us in on your Instagram. But for now, happy Halloween. Bye.